Hey!
Welcome back to...
This thing's upside down, so does that mean it's upside down?
Yeah, because you started upside down.
Hey, what are y'all doing here?
Potentially unloading a broken side by side.
You say potentially.
Yeah, just, yeah. We may or may not be unloading this machine. So welcome back to yet another episode and more antics in the shop.
Hey, are we rolling now?
Yeah, it's rolling.
Yeah, we're rolling there and here.
Okay.
So we're trying to get this broken Arctic cat that we took on as a side job off the trailer, and here lies the problem. It's missing that. And if you see, the lugs are still in it. So the hub is obviously still behind there. And there's no hub here. So we can't put that there because it's broken. And now we have a jack and we have to get it off this trailer. It's a whole ordeal.
Full ordeal.
Okay, so I'm here to film, I guess, and for once I get to step out and see how this is gonna work.
Yeah, now you get to see what I see.
This thing is gonna fucking jump up.
Now we're good, we're good.
Come on, baby.
What's your plan, man?
Alright, there's the blocks underneath the front now?
Not yet, you got a little bit to go, but
Yeah, you got a little bit. Okay, now you are. Okay, now we're on the box.
oh my, got those. Shout out to Matt.
Do you see this? I want you to... Oh, that's safe. It's perfect.
Let me pan this gap on this trailer real quick. Can your 6'5" self stand at the very right here? Yeah, right, yeah. There we go. This sucker's way in the air. So we literally started this a second ago, and our landlord is over here fixing our door, and he fixed it and then like immediately left, almost like he didn't want to be around when he sees things getting damaged. So I don't blame you. Shout out Mr. Clint. Oh, that's a whole...
Man the jack, that'd be great.
I guess, is that me?
Beat him?
Someone.
I need to man that?
Yeah.
What do I need to do?
Keep it from like going all crazy.
It's not gonna go crazy. Go more.
Okay.
Boom!
It's only barely sliding out. Oh my god. Yeah, it's spinning out of it, Aaron.
I'm scared.
We're about to lose it.
Now it's scared.
Okay, come hold this one real quick so I can.
Oh, yikes.
What?
I mean, that looks way worse than it was. Thank God we have this brand new... Oh. What if it all just broke right now?
Well, thank God it's here to get fixed.
That's right.
We had to tack on an additional. Ah!
How much do we charge for the extra?
You're about to come off the edge.
Alright, set it back down.
I say we keep going.
Well, I don't want that jack to run. Well, maybe if we go with that.
You know, what's gonna happen? You pull those out, and it's gonna go. Woohoo! This is gonna catapult
No,
all back
no,
in.
it's
The
on
jack's
the-
go.
Jack.
A little more.
See if I can.
You got to go. There you go. All right, you ready? You're gonna need a little bit more, Aaron. That bolt's gonna catch. Okay. You ready?
Set her down.
No, it's gonna. There's a tail end of this trailer.
Oh, hold on. I can put this block under.
Oh.
I got it clear. And go around on the
Set
ground.
it down. If it'll go down all the way. Or you get the jack out. Can you get the jack out?
Probably not.
There.
Yeah, that's fine. That's what. Hey, just take it.
Yeah.
Ah, I'm going on a ride.
Perfect.
By design.
Yeah.
Never doubted yourself.
Just how I wanted it to work out.
Perfection. Perfection is the direction.
In case you guys want to bring your stuff here to get fixed by us.
Don't bring it 3-wheeled on a trailer.
2 weeks later.
Welcome back to another episode. Our new workbench.
Yeah.
This one doesn't leak, does it?
No,
this
I
one
think
leaks
it's low
too.
on fluid.
Yeah, it's dripping.
Yeah, it's perfect. This one's leaking too.
Sick.
So we got some work to do on these, but for all intents and purposes, it will.
Is this a hub?
Yep, this is the hub off the rear of the Arctic Cat. So, wheel bearings, brakes, 2 new axles in the rear is what we're gonna try to get this whole thing knocked out today. This is a lot of work. As long as there's no unforeseen surprises like how this project's been going.
All of it?
Yeah, we should be all right. So, it's just,
I guess
let's get to the good stuff.
time lapse maybe.
Yeah.
So after much struggling with, Aaron got it in.
Bingo.
Trick to doing that was, I guess, freezing the.
Yeah, freeze the bearing, heat this up a little bit, and it slides in pretty good.
Yeah, and it normally will snap back in with snap ring if.
Yeah, if it hadn't been hammered and grinded and cut on and everything else. So, yeah.
And now it goes back in.
Now it goes back in. We'll bolt her all up.
Fucking be demolished when I snap its fucking cable.
So we got one back on
Yep.
this, as Aaron calls it, overly complicated 18-link suspension.
Yeah, for sure. For sure. Dead battery.
Sick.
Need more battery.
More power, baby.
More power, baby.
But we got that side. Then we just gotta. Jesus Christ. We gotta finish this side. Does this side need a new bearing too?
Yeah, all of them get new bearings. Only difference is this hadn't been messed with, none of this else is they only messed with that one corner. So, in theory, everything should go pretty smooth. Again, in theory.
In theory, it should go pretty smooth. I'm gonna be just happy to see this thing running again.
Yeah, it's gonna be nice. It'll be the first time we see it.
Not limping.
Yeah, like on all 4 legs. So that'll be cool. That's a thing.
Now, speed rush, tipping. Ooh, baby.
I got a bar.
So, me and Aaron got this in, and then we forgot to put the O-ring in. So now we have to take it apart.
Justin got it. Justin got it.
You want to pull it? You good?
Need a little more. That needs to come out or something. But that's where we're at.
Yeah, pull back.
Fucking board this way.
I don't have much geek.
Hit me, John.
Oh, oh my. There you go. Now it's
Hey,
just
Mr.
gonna
John.
be a bitch when we have to put it back in.
Ah!
Oh, ho, ho.
Hey,
Can I go? Oh yeah.
Can I get a- Oh, yeah.
they,
This is,
don't
what
forget
we
the
do in the
fucking
shop.
O-ring on this one.
Yeah, we got it in. We gave it the O.
Ring.
Oh yeah. But update, we got this side. The other side was super difficult because there was a, what is it called?
O-ring?
No. Instead of a cotter pin, it had
Oh, I
a,
had a fucking roll pin.
it had a roll pin.
O-ring.
And we couldn't shove the roll pin out, and we had to eventually drill it. I'll show you guys here in a sec. Look at this crack. So, yeah, I don't know who decided to do a roll pin in there. Got stuck. We had to drill it out. Justin's here. He brought food. Saved both of us.
Well, actually, Aaron
funded the food. He funded the food. You provided the food.
The food.
And the mood.
And the...
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
But, so we got that out, got this apart, and then when we were trying to put this axle in, we realized we forgot the O-ring on the other side, so that's why that side's apart. And now we're putting it back together for the 90 billionth time. Hopefully this is the last time, and we'll get it all sorted. We're done, finally, 6 years later. It only took 4 fucking ever.
It's been 82 years.
After fighting a stubborn bearing, this is all put back together.
Okay, I'll put it up.
Yeah. Yay.
I love Wildcats.
I love it. It's great.
They're over-strengthened 16-point suspension.
You're gonna have to wait.
Wheels are on there.
Yep.
They're not shaky.
New wheel bearings, new brakes, new axles. Good to go.
It's a little shaky, but I feel like that's just the Arctic Cat.
Yeah. That's just the Arctic Cat in general.
Maybe I didn't miss that.
Is this supposed to be tilted up like that, or is this just suspension?
Well, it needs to settle. Once we move it a little bit, it'll kind of settle back in. But they do kind of sit with a rake.
So on a scale of 1 to 90, how do you love this?
0.
Yeah, it was much more painful to do this than we thought it would be.
Yeah.
So there's still minor touch-ups that I guess we still need to do.
Yeah, a few little things. We need to check the diff fluid and clean it up, see if we can figure out where this oil leak's coming from, and then just give the machine a good look over, see if there's anything else obvious. Because basically the guy wants it back. He just wants it ready to ride. You know, he's had it for I think a couple months now, and it's been nothing but problems. So he's trying to get it.
No, but we get it. We get why it's been nothing but problems.
Yeah.
So that's
Arctic Cat.
That's. Hey, do you want to come do your rap?
Wicked Maves Justin.
So if you guys made it this far, we appreciate it. Stay tuned for upcoming videos. We got the Brute coming up. We've said that like 3 videos in a row now. I promise. It's just other stuff has to get done before other stuff can move forward. So hopefully that should be coming up pretty soon. If you made it this far, we appreciate it. Go check out some of our other videos. If you like this video, obviously like it right here. Hit the notification bell right there as well, underneath it. Sub, right there, yeah. Right on Junior's side by side, all over that. And check us out on Facebook, Instagram, the Snapchats, and now the TikTok. Huh. Anyway, guys, we appreciate it as always. We'll see you on the next one.
Oh, you're so smart. You're so smart. Can we take the extra one? You big American brain. You take the big chance.